Very. What the greatest anime of all time?
I'm a newbie. I'm not a weeb. So I'm going to say Pokemon.
That's a lie. It's Fairy Tail or Dragon Ball Z or Naruto. I like them a tell. And the one and only Sailor Moon.
One of the greatest of potentially all time is Attack on Titan. I'm gonna have to say Attack on Titan.
Attack on Titan.
Attack on Titan.
Attack on Titan.
Attack on Titans.
The one I shot with your mom last night.
All right.
JoJo Bizarre Adventures, definitely. Top one. I don't care what anybody want to say.
My favorite is Hunter x Hunter, Dragon Ball. Because for the different storylines, the different arcs, you see who dead and come back, you see why them dead and come back, you see who dead and gone, and it's a lot, and you see how it happened. I can appreciate a good story, and it's a good story.
Hunter x Hunter, hands down.
JoJo's Bizarre Adventure.
The Apothecary Diaries. The greatest anime of all time is erased. Gotta be Attack on Titan. The greatest.
You're like the fifth person that said that.
Of course, the story behind Attack on Titan, the emotions that you feel. I felt every episode from start straight to season 4.
I don't have one. I'm sorry, I can't say. I can tell you what the best anime are currently to me.
All right.
And those are Attack on Titan, Naruto, Bleach, One Piece, and Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood.
All right. A lady with taste, guys.